going to quickly have a look on how we can fill the form fields using URL parameters. Okay, so oops, I gotta change the placeholder for this field. Last name instead of first name. Okay, so there we go. Now, before I start filling in the fields using the parameters, it's just one thing that we need to make sure is that we are using this query key for filling out the parameters. And I'll just get to it when we are actually going to use the parameters. Okay, so with every field, there should be a query key, and you need to use this to fill any data inside that. But obviously with the sign field and with drop downs, we don't get those fields, so these cannot be filled using URL parameters, but the rest of them can. So now let's just go to do a quick test of how this is going to work. I'm going to open this form here, and then I'll go back to my form builder so that I can be sure what values I should be using for the parameters. And when I have to do this, all I need to do is place a question mark, and then if I want to fill in the first name, I'll copy this, go here, and hit equals to Fez, and last name equals to HYR, and state equals to NY. And there's one last thing that I want to fill is my email. Test 64 at none. Perfect. So, alright, there we go. All the fields are being filled in using the parameters, and now I'm just gonna give it some test entries, and I just want to go to my contact details to see if this information was sent out to high level or not. Okay, there we have the contact, and yeah, so everything looks good here, and there we go, the state is here as well. So